Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix the ERR underscore socket underscore not underscore connected, a Google Chrome error in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's start the process. The first solution that you can do is that you need to check your internet connection. So ensure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working correctly or is stable. Navigate to your task manager. Here at the bottom right side, you can see your Wi-Fi icon. Click on that. Select for this forward arrow key and try to check if you are connected. And if not, try to connect to another device and check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to clear the cache and cookies of your browser. Please proceed to your Google Chrome, make a right click here, and click for open so that you can enter. From here, please expand it first, navigate to the top right corner, select on that, and then here, scroll down, select for settings so that you can bring up the Chrome settings. Once you have successfully opened the Chrome settings, navigate to the left side. There you can see Privacy and Security. Proceed to the section Privacy and Security where you can find Delete Browsing Data. Click on it and then check all of these boxes and click for Delete Data. Wait for some time until this would be finished. Once done, check if the error has been fixed. You can also try an incognito mode to see if it works. So please create a new tab here. Navigate to the top right corner, click for three dots, select for new incognito window, and run it using incognito window or incognito website. In that way, you would be able to check if the error has been fixed. Once you have tried this one and the error still persists, then we need to proceed to the next solution, and that is to change the DNS settings. How we can do that? Simply press Windows key and R key together on your keyboard. Type for ncpa.cpl. You can also make a right click here at the start, go with run. Click on OK and then wait until you would be able to bring up a new window called Network Connections where you can find your network that you are connected to. So select your internet or either Wi-Fi. They just have to select the network that you are currently connected and then make a right click from here and go with properties. So since I'm connected to a Wi-Fi, that's why I'm choosing this one. If you're connected to Ethernet, then select that one. Here, you can find Internet Protocol version 4. Select for properties. Turned on obtain an IP address automatically and turned on use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server into the Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, and then alternate DNS server into 8.8.4.4, which is the second's Google DNS. Click on OK so that you can apply it and click on close so that you can complete the process. Try to check if the error has been fixed by restarting it first. So you need to restart your computer first so that you can apply the procedure completely. Navigate here at the start, proceed to the power menu options and click for restart. Once done, you need to check if the error has been resolved. Okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Now, thank you and have a good day.